On the way for many of us in the next few days. It's dry and bright for much of England and Wales at the moment, but you can see the cloud which is bringing the rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland. It swirls back here in towards the Atlantic, all around an area of low pressure, and that area of low pressure is going to dominate the weather for all of us over the next few days. So there'll be showers or longer spells of rain right the way through the weekend and indeed into the beginning of next week. Not only is it going to be quite unsettled, it's also going to turn somewhat cooler, particularly across England and Wales. In fact, I think we're going to see temperatures a little bit below the average for the time of year this weekend. Something I think you'll notice if you're out and about, a top temperature of just 19 degrees in London and just 15 or 16 in New York, and there'll be plenty of hefty showers too. Now this morning there's been some rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some of it's been quite heavy towards the northwest. That wet weather is going to continue its progress southeastwards during the rest of today. Now to the north it'll brighten up, so Scotland and Northern Ireland seeing some sunshine this afternoon with just 1 or 2 showers cropping up. And to the southeast I think most places will also be dry and bright, spells of sun, just the outside chance of 1 or 2 showers. But I think it will be dry at the Oval this afternoon, so it's looking pretty good for the rest of the cricket here. The outlook though, particularly for the weekend, is looking distinctly more unsettled. And it's quite warm in London too, a top temperature of 23 degrees here, 22 for Birmingham, a little bit cooler and fresher though for much of Scotland and Northern Ireland with a top temperature of just 16 or 17 degrees. And here I think there'll be quite a few showers on and off throughout the night, whilst the rain across more southern areas, well that's going to become grind to a halt across parts of Wales and central England. And then that rain will start to move northwards again during the day tomorrow, moving into parts of northern England. To the north of it there'll be sunshine and showers, and some of those showers are going to be heavy and prolonged. To the south, well, there'll always be a lot of cloud, but I think we could see a little bit of brightness coming through, and if the sun does come out, the cloud will build up and we could see 1 or 2 afternoon sharp showers. Temperature-wise, not quite as warm as it's going to be today. A top temperature of 21 degrees for London and Southampton, 18 degrees in Leeds. And it's cooling down too across Scandinavia. It has been very warm here recently, closer to average in the next couple of days, 18 degrees in Oslo for example. Outbreaks of rain are going to move down across parts of France and in towards northern parts of Iberia. For much of the Mediterranean though, it's looking dry and fine for Saturday. Not so here at home. Sunshine and showers for all of us throughout the weekend. Some of those showers are going to turn out to be rather heavy and indeed prolonged too. Anna.